I know you're the one doing the silent treatment.
Are you flying your airplane, little man? Yeah. Hmm? Noah, you flying your airplane? Are you flying your airplane? What's your airplane do? Get your airplane. Flying your airplane? What's that? Where's your airplane? Uh-oh, you dropped your airplane. That's your ducky. That's your ducky got a Cabela's. Where's your airplane? You don't want to put... Oh, now you're flying your duck? What's duck say? Okay, you gonna go back and get your airplane? There you go. Flying your airplane. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Did your plane crash? No? Okay. Where are you going? Is it dark out? Go get your airplane. Keep flying your airplane. Go get your airplane. Go pick up your airplane. What's that? Is that your duck? What's the duck say?
Quack, quack.
What's the duck say?
Quack, quack.
Thank you. Put it back in the fridge. There you go. Good boy. What's the duck say? Uh-oh. What are you getting into this time? You found where the cereal is. Didn't you? You know where the cereal's at, huh? Cereal? Huh? You can't get into it? The bag's not open? The bag's open. Here you go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No, no.
They have the long jump packs too. That is so cute.
Oh, you got the link that I sent you?
So cute.
Uh-oh. Why don't you feed some to your doggy?
I wonder what your discount would be on these.
I don't know. Why don't you give some to your doggy? Hey, don't step on them, silly. Put them in the bowl.
Oh, they have a cute bear turtle set. He's so cute. We need another baby.
No, we don't.
Yes, we do.
Is that good, little man? Noah, is that yummy? Say bye-bye. Can you wave bye-bye? Like bye-bye.